So L+K House is a 270 square meter, 3-story townhouse in Quezon City. The clients wanted a modern and clean look, but still inviting and cozy. So we went for a Japandi theme expressed with a minimalist color palette and striking modern furniture and post-modern fixtures, while still maintaining a sense of zen. With this ratio of wood and concrete accent mix, this contemporary space is defined with practical luxury. Hi, my name is architect Steph, and welcome to L+K House.
So we decided to hire a designer for our space because first off, to save time. Secondly is because we had our ideas, our pegs of what we wanted it to look like. But when it comes to implementation, we have no idea how to do it in such a way that it doesn't look tacky. Keeping in mind our idea and what would actually look good in a house, she was able to combine those two things and come up with this design, which was exactly what we wanted. The budget was used very efficiently. The space definitely was used very efficiently. The space isn't very large, but Steph was able to use the space in such a way that it looks spacious, but all the necessary furniture are present. With a designer, she would be able to take the main theme, the main idea from all these photos and make a very coordinated design for the entire house.
Right upon entry, we are greeted with this foyer accent wall. Customized at the 15 by 90 cm size, these terrazzo tiles are installed with a gap and no grout to give more emphasis to the material. Despite the rough look of the terrazzo, we gave it a polished sheen finish as it's more suited for interiors. These two hanging postmodern light fixture makes for quite the impression. The alternating light casing and brass material really makes it look vibrant and chic, making the whole space look extravagant but unconventional. The verticality of the tiles and the lighting fixture really defines this small foyer space, making it become its own character despite being attached to the living area console. We closed the original cove ceiling as to make the whole ground area a lot more cohesive, as there isn't really much separation from the living area to the dining area. We added this wooden accent drop ceiling as a link to both of those spaces. This curved dining table is custom made with 4 dining chairs and a bench for a more flexible seating capacity. This whole dining set is made out of mahogany but was bleached to achieve this sort of ashy wood shade, which you can see in all the wood accents all throughout L+K House, as that shade really encapsulates the Scandinavian design. The dining area has black accents instead of gold, as the abundance of wood already provides the warm tone, just as we used gold fixtures on the cool tone of the foyer accent wall. We closed the window here since its only view was the dirty kitchen, and we put this dining cabinet with open shelves extending throughout the counter. We maintained the existing bar counter and decorated it with hanging concrete pendant lights. As you can see, curves are very prevalent throughout the whole design, as I feel that it really provides a softness to the whole space. For the kitchen, we removed the handles and replaced the cabinet finish to white for a more clean look. We redesigned the upper cabinet with this wooden accent shelf that really just connects the refrigerator to the rest of the kitchen. These hexagon tiles are actually one of my favorite materials that we sourced for the project. Its matte texture and light veins of marble really just make it look so classy. And we decorated the backsplash and this wall with those tiles to connect the two linear elements of the gallery kitchen. Now onto the second floor, we are welcomed with this glass sliding door which leads to the family area. This minimalist frame design, which was custom designed by me, really reflects the modern theme of the house. One of Kyla's requests for the family area was that it would be the main hangout for when their friends come over, for movie night. So we really chose comfortable furniture and this floor-to-ceiling blackout curtain to cover up the window and the door for a very cozy and homey vibe. This custom designed sideboard hides their mini fridge and some snacks and other knickknacks for the perfect movie night. Now for the master bedroom. This magnificent concrete pattern is actually a laminate on plywood, as it wouldn't really be safe to use actual concrete tiles on top of the bed. We use concrete as the main accent for this room, as the cool tones and texture give this ambiance of solace. Throughout the whole house, we've used the same ashy wood laminate, but for the master bedroom, we used a different shade of wood because I believe that the master bedroom should have a unique material compared to the rest of the house. On the bedside is this charming wall sconce and this switch and outlet set that not only is very convenient but also gives a very posh hotel vibe. We chose this triangular vanity table as it fits snugly in the corner. It has a built-in light-up mirror, but as we all girls know, we still need to look at our makeup in natural light, so we specifically placed it right next to the corner window. Going up the third floor, we see this stunning modern chandelier. Its minimalist glowing LED strip lassoed around a circular gold bar looks so mesmerizing no matter where you look at it from. Next, we have the home office. This is Lance's desk, which is for working and gaming, and open shelves where he can put his prized collectibles. While here is Kyla's reading nook with a ledge wide enough for a laptop. This wall-mounted double lamp is adjustable to wherever she decides to sit, whether it's a work or a reading day. So this office is more of a work and leisure room for the couple, where they're able to do their individual tasks and hobbies while still enjoying each other's company. Along this large black accent wall is a hidden door to the attic. The original plan didn't include an attic, but there was a large potential for the area that we decided to build an attic floor. My favorite thing about designing for a married couple is also seeing a marriage of materials. Lance likes concrete, cool tones, and black accents, while Kyla likes wood, warm tones, and gold accents. But just like marriage, a good union is not just a compromise, but a synthesis of two different materials forged by the same earth. And that was L+K House. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!